Hey everybody, it's Josh from Blue Orange Digital, and today I wanted to share a little bit about some of the ways I've been thinking about the use cases of generative AI. We've all seen tons of ideas and applications and implications of how LLMs and generative AI can help change the landscape, but I've really seen them breaking into three different categories that I think are going to be really impactful. So the first and by far most popular application of large language models or LLMs have been through linguistic computing interface. So ChatGPT exploded onto the market, showcasing how you can interact with data in a way that's far more semantic, it's far more conversational. We've seen many examples like non-technical people putting text into a LLM and generating code, or building great copy just on a few prompts. The next layer down, which I think is probably what excites me the most about the advancements of LLMs, is semantic extraction or semantic intelligence. And unstructured data is just data that comes in a form that isn't really interpretable for downstream analytics or advanced modeling. The hope to find value journey has become far more accessible when not only you're able to extract a semantic framework of the data that you're sitting on, you're also able to interact with it with that linguistic computing interface. So the power of those two together is very exciting. Number three that I find really compelling about the probably highest value generative AI applications are supercharging automation. So robotic process automation, or RPA, is this process of building systems that are pretty, I would claim dumb systems that do a route task and then kind of advance the next action of it. When you look at some of these solutions that have come out with LLMs replacing or additionally adding on top of that with AutoGPT, and what LangChain is trying to do is really chaining multiple LLMs against each other to make decisions across the process. And I think that third category, when we see where there's huge value in the advancement we're seeing, is enhancing automation in a way that'll be highly compelling. I'm still thinking and kind of evolving this framework, but I tend to see almost all applications fall in one of those three categories. And as you're thinking about how to apply GenAI at your organization or company, really breaking down those three areas. And I think we've had a lot of publicity and notoriety about the linguistic computing interface layer, like chat and that layer, but I think there's actually far more value right out the gate on the other two areas, and there's some really tremendous advances happening right now.